Properties of angles, lesson 22 notes. This video is just going to be a short video for extra examples of complementary angles, supplementary angles, and linear pairs. So complementary angles are angles that add up to 90 degrees. Well, 45 and 45 when added together gives you 90. Therefore, angle A and angle I are complementary angles. 50 degrees plus 40 degrees equals 90 degrees. Therefore, angles D and F are complementary angles. Supplementary angles add up to 180. 50 degrees plus 130 degrees equals 180. Therefore, angles D and E are supplementary angles. 85 degrees plus 95 degrees adds up to 180. Therefore, angle C and angle G are supplementary angles. And then 75 degrees and 105 degrees adds up to 180. Therefore, angles B and angle H are supplementary angles. This is a little different. You can't just use one letter to name an angle. The V here, that is the vertex. When you use 3 letters to name an angle, the vertex goes in the middle. For example, this angle right here is angle AVB. AVB. This angle right here is BVC. V has to go in the middle. Just trace the angle, BVC. The next one is angle CVD. DVE. There's more than just that. You also have angle ABC. BVD. CVE. You have angles AVD, BVE. And you actually have one more angle, which is AVE, that straight line. That's called a straight angle. All right, so complementary angles, 2 angles that add up to 90. AVB and BVC add up to 90 degrees. AVB and DVE also add up to 90 degrees, so they are complementary. CVD, DVE add up to 90 degrees, so they are complementary. CVD and BVC add up to 90 degrees, so they are complementary. Supplementary angles. Supplementary angles are angles that add up to 180. Well, if you add those two together, that's 90 degrees. And if you add these two together, that's 90 degrees. And 90 plus 90 is 180. So AVC and CVE are supplementary angles. If you add those 3 angles together, they equal 150. 150 plus 30 is 180. So AVD and DVE are supplementary angles. I could actually use this angle in here also. So I'm going to take this big angle here, which is AVD, and BVC. They would both add up to 180. Therefore, they would be supplementary angles. That large angle there would add up to 120 degrees. 120 plus 60 is 180. So angle AVB and BVE are supplementary angles. This is also 60. So BVE and CVD are supplementary angles. They both add up to 180 degrees. Linear pairs. So remember, linear pairs are hard in this picture because it's hard to ignore some of the lines, but it's 2 angles that form a straight line. So these angles, when put together, form this straight line. Therefore, they are a linear pair. This angle here and this angle here, when put together, form this straight line. Therefore, they are a linear pair. This angle here and this angle here, when put together, form that straight line. Therefore, they are a linear pair. You kind of have to ignore some of the other lines. So that is some examples on complementary, supplementary, angles and linear pairs. If you have any questions, let me know.